In this video, I'm going to show you how to pre-wire your inline fan unit for your MG. This is the unit that will come with your MG. It's a TD100X by S&P fan. Comes with the instruction booklet here. Make sure you read it, take a look at that. But I'm going to show you how to install a plug. This way you can just plug it in, and in the future, if you ever need to service this motor, you can unplug it and remove it relatively easy. Once you open this, you'll see there's a motor schematic on the inside of the lid, as well as a warning here telling you that this is a 2-speed motor. This goes in the opening here. Your cable will get drawn through here, and this will clamp down on it to secure it. This one is 2-prong because the motor is double insulated. It doesn't have a ground wire. And that's what you want to buy when you install this, is you want to get this one here. I believe is from Home Depot. And it's an 8-foot tool replacement cord. You can see this opening lines up. It's really easy on this motor. It lines up right with where we're going to connect it. Now this is a 2-speed motor, and all you have to do is connect the black wire to either the brown or the black. The black in this case is the high speed and brown is low. We're going to connect it with the high, so black to black. You're going to need like a jeweler's screwdriver. And that's that. Okay, so now we're going to need a junction box to plug this into, right? And there's 2 types that I like to use. This is one of them. And this will go up in the attic, and I've got a 2x4 here to illustrate how it installs. This just leans up like so. You put a couple screws here and here, and that'll hold it in place up there in the attic. They also make another one of these, which I didn't have, I prefer to use, where this has a tab that's bent over and it just rests. It'll come down here, you put your screws on the top and it holds it in place. In here, we're going to install a GFCI outlet plug. I also like to give myself plenty of room, so I went with this extension that will go on top here, which will add to the amount of room I have here. You see how that fits. There's an indentation here that pushes in the center here. And again, I like to do it to finish it up by hand. All right, and that holds it in place, okay? And then once you mount this, you can take this up, run it wherever you need to go. Okay, now we're ready to wire our GFCI outlet. We're just concerned with these two here. All right. This is your hot, and this is your neutral. Neutral being white, the load being the black. There also is the ground. If you can see that there, the green screw. That's where this copper wire will go. These just feed straight on in. You want to do these by hand. Don't use your drill. And there you go. See how clean that is? And up in your attic, that's how that'll go. Something else we should do, we just wired this up. Let's test it. Don't put your fingers in these openings. You'll see there's an airflow arrow, so we should be sucking on this side and blowing on this side according to the arrow, and we are. All right, sucking here, blowing here. What I would normally do is connect this to the fixture junction box. Wherever the lights are at, usually it's in the ceiling or it's up high on the wall, so you don't have far to go from the attic to get to them. You can feed this down behind that, pull the fixture off the wall, feed the wire into the box, do all your connections right there, or do them in the ceiling itself. Take the fixture down, run this down into that box, do all your connections, put the fixture back up. That's usually the easiest way of doing it. So I hope this helps, and I thank you for watching the video. Don't hesitate to call our tech line, which is area code 702-542-9237, 702-542-9237. And my name is Peter, and you have a good day.